excavator.
Whoa, the dead's coming towards us. Is it getting pouring on us?
No, it'll be fine. It's going in the dumpster.
Oh, right, good. Whoa. So this is an excavator? Whoa. Oh my God, it's digging for stuff. Whoa, there's so much dirt. Wow, that's a big truck. Oh, it's going forward. Oh, wow, it's still digging. Are we going to be okay, Woof?
We will be fine. The driver is very good.
Oh, good. So, excavator?
Excavator.
Oh, there he goes. All right, we'll see you again in the next video, everybody. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Wow, more dirt.